So hi everyone, guys. I'm just having a coffee, and guess what? On the other side, you can see there's something cooking. Of course, there's Korash. She'll say hi.
Hi everyone.
So she's starting up her podcast, a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link on the description below, so you can like, share, and comment. And maybe very soon I'll be joining her. So let's wait and see. By the way, I'm gonna show you around. We are in such a nice coffee shop. It's called a swak. It's such a nice place, and they have amazing coffee, by the way. This pistachio frappe or frappuccino, should I say? And that's how it looks from the other side. So it looks nice, as you can see. Wow. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. So, yeah, back to Skora. And she'll say her last words.
Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and please comment below what kind of stories would you like to know. If it's anything has to do with coming to love or any other story, comment below my YouTube channel. Let us know.
Yeah, that's it. So, goodbye. See you. Let's finish our coffee. And bye bye.